Navigating everyday life with mindfulness, 5 simple practices for a happier you today. In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. The constant pressure to meet deadlines, attend meetings, and juggle personal responsibilities can leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed out. But what if there was a way to navigate everyday life with more ease and happiness? Enter mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, sensations, and surroundings without judgment or distraction. By focusing on the present moment, mindfulness can help alleviate stress, anxiety, and other negative emotions that can arise from our busy lives. Here are 5 simple practices you can start incorporating into your daily routine to cultivate mindfulness and improve your overall well-being. Take mindful breaths. Start by taking a few deep breaths, focusing solely on your breath as you inhale and exhale. This can help calm your mind and body, allowing you to focus on the present moment. Use this technique whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed out throughout the day. Practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on things you're grateful for. This can be anything from a supportive friend to a warm cup of coffee in the morning. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life can shift your mindset to one of appreciation and contentment. Eat mindfully. When eating, try to focus on the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Chew slowly and savor each bite. This not only helps you enjoy your food more but also promotes healthy digestion and can prevent overeating. Engage your senses. Take a moment to engage your senses throughout the day. Notice the way the sun feels on your skin or the sound of birds chirping outside your window. By tuning into your senses, you can enhance your experience of the present moment and cultivate a greater sense of awareness. Unplug. Take a break from technology and social media for at least an hour each day. Our constant connectivity can make it difficult to be fully present in our surroundings. By unplugging, we can create space for more meaningful connections with ourselves and those around us. Incorporating these mindfulness practices into your daily routine can help reduce stress, increase happiness, and improve overall well-being. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving perfection or eliminating all negative thoughts and emotions. It's about accepting what comes up in the present moment and responding with kindness and compassion. So take a deep breath and start navigating everyday life with mindfulness today.